8 Passive Income Assets to Achieve Financial Freedom and Quit Your Job Forever. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, introduces a compelling concept he calls the cash flow quadrant. He emphasizes that there's a thin line separating the rich from the poor. Those on the left side of the quadrant work for money because they seek security, while those on the right side work for freedom, allowing them to avoid working hard their entire lives. Here are 8 assets that can make people rich and free them from the need to work again. 1. A business. Ever wondered how successful entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Mark Zuckerberg amassed their fortunes? It's not by being born with a silver spoon or through sheer luck. Contrary to Hollywood stereotypes of the ultra-rich as corrupt and lazy, creating a profitable business demands every drop of sweat and blood. The difference between rich entrepreneurs and employees lies in passive versus active income. Entrepreneurs work intensely hard for the first few years to establish their businesses, creating assets that generate lifelong income. In contrast, employees often work hard their entire lives, living paycheck to paycheck. Entrepreneurs build a legacy, securing their own and their children's futures, while employees may leave little behind. 2. Real estate. Starting a business isn't the only path to wealth. For those unable to take the risk of leaving a secure job, real estate offers a viable alternative. Buying property might seem out of reach, especially on an average salary, but this is where Kiyosaki's concept of OPM, other people's money, comes into play. By borrowing money to buy rental properties, you can create a second income stream. Rental income covers mortgage payments and expenses, potentially adding extra cash to your pocket. Additionally, real estate investments come with tax benefits, effectively putting more money back into your hands. As you accumulate rental properties, you become less reliant on your paycheck, moving closer to true financial freedom. 3. Paper assets. For those who find the idea of starting a business or managing real estate too time-consuming, Kiyosaki offers another path to financial independence: paper assets. This includes stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and government securities. While each investment carries its own risk, disciplined spending and investing habits can help you grow your wealth without the challenges of running a business or managing property. By consistently saving and investing, you can escape the 9-to-5 grind, eventually freeing up your time to pursue additional passive income streams. 4. Understanding the value of the dollar and the timeless importance of commodities. Have you ever wondered why the dollar keeps gaining or losing value? The answer lies in its nature as paper money, a man-made concept. It holds value because governments back it, and in the case of the US, the Federal Reserve can print more money at will. However, this means the dollar has no intrinsic value. Today, as the world's superpower, the US boasts the most valuable currency. But what happens if another country rises to global dominance? That nation's currency could replace the dollar. Relying solely on one currency to build intergenerational wealth is risky. There's no telling when that piece of paper might become worthless. That's why ultra-rich individuals turn to what Robert Kiyosaki calls God's money, commodities like gold, silver, oil, and even food grains and meat. These essentials will always hold value because we need food to survive, energy to commute and trade, and precious metals to store wealth. Paper assets can't provide these necessities. Commodities are limited in quantity and maintain stable demand, making them an excellent hedge against inflation. Diversifying your portfolio with commodities is a wise move, as they tend to rise in value during tough times when other assets fall. 5. Time. The most precious resource. We've all heard the phrase, time is money, but do you know why it exists? Economists argue that time is the most precious resource humanity has. Money can come and go. Many NFL players, for instance, go bankrupt shortly after earning their first $1 million. But time, once lost, is gone forever. Your youth is your greatest asset, allowing you to take risks because you have a lifetime ahead to recover any financial losses. Starting early is crucial. A person who begins investing at age 20 will accumulate significantly more wealth than someone who starts at age 30. Even Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, advises starting young. Making the most of your time also involves upgrading your skills. A standard 5-day workweek leaves you with 2 days to invest in yourself. Instead of spending this time on movies, bars, or hanging out with friends, consider starting a side hustle, upskilling for a promotion, or following a passion. These activities could lead to life-changing opportunities. Ultimately, wealth in any form creates a safety net for you and your loved ones. True wealth means staying protected no matter how world economics change. 6. The vital connection between health and wealth. While maximizing your time is a mental endeavor, maintaining physical fitness is essential to achieving your goals. Many of us neglect our bodies when we're young, indulging in junk food, excessive alcohol, and smoking. We justify these habits by believing we've earned some slack after working hard. This cycle not only depletes our current earnings but also results in substantial medical bills as we age. Investing in your health through regular exercise and a balanced diet allows you to work more efficiently, earn more, and enjoy a long, healthy life with your family. Breaking free from unhealthy habits and focusing on physical fitness can significantly enhance your overall quality of life. 7. Online assets. Turning your skills into income. Ever wondered what it costs to start a YouTube channel? Absolutely nothing. It's free, and think about it. How many times have you learned something cool from a YouTube video? We all have. Everyone is good at something. Maybe you cook really well, make people laugh, or are a computer genius. Why not use your knowledge and skills to help others struggling with something you're good at? If your skills are in demand, you'll gather subscribers quickly, and soon YouTube will pay you through ad revenue. This concept extends to all online assets, be they online courses, websites, blogs, or even your social media pages. Once your online assets start generating income, you can scale them into a business. You can upgrade your content, hire people, and join affiliate programs to diversify your income streams. 8. Your network. The power of personal branding. Ever heard the saying, "A happy client is a referring client"? This small phrase encapsulates why developing a personal brand or goodwill is crucial to the success of any business, big or small. Doing good work can bring early success, but a few recommendations from satisfied clients can completely change the game for you. Imagine you start a catering business. Every event you cater expands your network because if the guests like your food, they'll call you for their next event. Therefore, along with delivering quality, you also need to think about marketing yourself. Don't wait for success to find you, let people know you are the person behind all that excellent work. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. For more personal finance tips and insights, keep watching our videos.